What's good, guys? I'm Kendrick. Welcome back to the channel. In this breakdown, I'll walk you through the pairs I've been tracking, the ones that played out clean and the ones that didn't. I'll be breaking it all down using my top-down analysis approach, analyzing from higher time frames to lower time frames, finding solid setups. If you value clean breakdowns and real structure, you're in the right place. Let's go to the charts. So GBP the plan is still the same, everything is still the same. Simply wait for a pullback to this outer CTL, the outer part of the CTL. The bullish engulfing 4-hour candle bounce will buy to the upside. Your stop loss should ideally be somewhere here. Your take profit here, your stop loss here, a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which is actually good. So this is what I'm looking at for on GBP Everything is still the same. There's no change. The setup is still the same. For those of you that watched my previous videos, you guys can understand what I'm talking about. And if you didn't, feel free to watch it and know and see and know what I'm talking about. So GBP is still the same. I'll still be looking at this pair. It's at the top of my watch list. And that's it for GBP. So the next pair I'll be going through is actually BTC My first video on this channel, I actually broke down BTC anticipating a pullback into major support. Now, overall, BTC is what? Bullish. BTC is bullish overall. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So if you make a higher high, you're supposed to make higher lows to continue the uptrend series. If you make a higher high, you're supposed to make a higher low to continue the uptrend. That is simply the characteristics of an uptrend. So knowing that the higher low is the continuation of an uptrend, BTC is going to rally to the upside. And in my previous video, I anticipated a bounce off of here, swing low to swing high. Actually, let me go to the daily time frame so you guys can see it well. So swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high. You can see price has actually done as we said. Price has bounced off of this support level, Fibonacci. So BTC is going as planned. Just have some few things to look out for. We need price to, base properly around there. We will not just go and start pressing buy. No, there are still some criteria that BTC need to meet. Something like this. We need to wait for price to break out of this CTL. Wait for it to base properly around here. Then if 4-hour candle break out of here, we're going to be buying to the upside. I'll be here to explain BTC in my next trader talk. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my next trader talk. BTC is bullish at the moment. We're going to be rallying to the upside to the north of 123. Let's call it $124,000 for BTC next level target. So BTC is bullish at the moment. We are bullish. We are going to be buying to the upside. But at the moment, there are some criteria that need to be met, and if they are not met, we will not trade BTC BTC bullish. For those of you that didn't know or that did not watch the full breakdown, please feel free to watch my previous video and you'll see and understand what I'm talking about. So this is it for BTC. Actually, these are the two pairs I'm looking at the moment. These two pairs are giving me some signs of, they're giving me good signs of setup or good setups. So yeah, BTC and GBP they are forming properly, and we are going to be waiting and be patient to see what they give us for this week. So the next pair I'm going to be breaking down is Euro JPY, and then I'm going to end up with Euro USD. Euro JPY, actually, I remember when I said that I would be waiting for a break of CTL to buy this pair to the upside, but the pair did otherwise. It didn't go as planned, so I left it alone. When we broke out of the CTL, price was too far. Entering the trade at this moment didn't make any sense for me because my stop loss would be very, very wide, which makes no sense. So I then said, okay, we're going to wait for a retest of this CTL, a breakout and a retest, and then buy to the upside. But price didn't do that. So I remember saying that I'm not going to be touching Euro JPY at the moment. I'm not interested in the pair. Why? Because it didn't follow our criteria, so I won't be interested in the pair. So Euro JPY has gone into making a choppy consolidation at the moment. It is indecisive at the moment, and there's nothing I can say about this pair. I don't know what it is doing at the moment. I'm actually out of Euro JPY. I'm not in the trade. So yeah, Euro JPY consolidating at the moment. Not interested in it. I rather focus on pairs that are trading well. than pairs that are not doing anything. So Euro JPY, I'm going to have to leave it. Um, Next pair in my watch list is I've broken down BTC USD, I've broken down GBP USD, then Euro USD. Euro USD at the moment, bro, Euro USD is confused. Euro USD is confused. There's nothing to trade here. I don't know. This is not tradable. Look at this. This is noise. All this is noise. There's nothing to trade here. Euro JPY, I mean Euro USD is confused at the moment. So I would advise you leave Euro USD alone and focus on pairs that give you clear setups. For the moment, I'm gonna have to say bye to Euro USD. So the next pair on my watch list, the next pair I'm going to be breaking down NZD USD and USD card. I'm going to be breaking them down on my next trader talk, on my next chart breakdown episode. NZD USD, they're actually experiencing a change in trend from bearish to bullish. You can see 1, 2, 3 triple bottom. You've broken major trend line. You retested it, and now you're pointing to the upside. You can see break and retest, and now you're pointing to the upside. But I'm not going to go heavy on NZD USD. I'm going to keep it for the next time. I'll drop another video to break it down for you guys. But at the moment, NZD USD is still planning itself out. The only pairs I'm focused on is GBP USD. Buy to the upside only if we bounce off of this outer CTL with a 4-hour candle. Only if you bounce off of here with a 4-hour candle, then I'll be buying this pair to the upside. That's that for GBP USD. The second pair is BTC USD. Like I said, wait for it to form properly. Then a 4-hour candle break out of here, you will be buying to the upside. So also Ethereum, I want to show you guys something that happened. So Ethereum, I was actually monitoring Ethereum last week for a potential setup, but Ethereum didn't even, didn't go as planned. The setup was simple, just like our previous setups. Price was actually here at the moment, so I was waiting for a retest of this zone so I can draw my CTL. You can see it's even in line with the Fibonacci. So I was waiting for a bounce off of here, bounce off of zone, break and retest of zone with Fibonacci. Then I'll draw my CTL and then buy into the upside. But we didn't even retest the zone. Price came shy of it around here and then pumped to the upside. So Ethereum at the moment, I don't know what to say. It is confused at the moment. If he had bounced off of here, I would buy it to the upside, but price didn't do that. It was a clear setup that was about to form until this massive push to the upside happened. So for that, I'm not in Ethereum USD. So that's that for this trader talk. BTC USD and GBP USD are the pairs that I'm looking at the moment. NZD USD and USD card, I'll be breaking them down on my next video. I hope you guys found value in the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Alright guys, that's it for today's section. Hope you guys found value in the video. See you guys in the next episode. Peace out. Subscribe.